Sai Ram class. Today we will discuss about your project work which you have to do in a project file, and you have to do all the project work of all the subjects in a single project file. Means you do not have to make different project files for different subjects, but you have to do only one project file. You have to make only one project file for all the subjects. Now for your class, the project work is related to number system. Now for your project work, what you have to do is, first you have to collect 5 pin codes from different places, means of different post offices. It is your choice whatever pin code of post office you can take. After that, you have to write the number name for those pin codes, and then you have to arrange them in ascending as well as in descending order. And then you have to make a place value chart and place all the digits of that pin code according to its place value. And at the end you have to write the expanded form of those pin codes. Now let's see how you have to do it exactly. Here you can see 2 columns. The first one is with place, means post office name, and the second one is with pin code of that post office. You all should know that what is a pin code. A pin code is a unique code for every post office so that the parcel or letter could reach to the desired post office. Now you can see here we have 2 examples. First one is, for example, we take Haldwani Nainital's post office. So we have to write its pin code in front of this, which is 263139. And the second example is the post office of Raiwala district, Dehradun. So its pin code is 249205. Similarly, you can write any post office and its pin code, but you have to take only 5. Now after this, what you have to do is you have to place these pin code in another table with one column of pin code and second one is number name of that pin code. Now you can see here that how we write the number name for each of the pin codes. For 263139, the number name is 2,63,139. Similarly, for 249205, the number name is 2,49,205. Now, after this, the third what you have to do is you have to place all the 5 pin codes in ascending and descending order. Here we have 2 pin codes, so let's place them in ascending as well as in descending order. So we know that 249205 is smaller than 263139, as 249205 is 2,49,205, whereas this one is 2,63,139. So this is the ascending order of these 2 pin codes. But when you have 5 pin codes, so you have 5 numbers here which were arranged in ascending order. And now you have to place them in descending order also. So as you place them in ascending order, so its just opposite is the descending order of those pin codes. Here you can see in ascending order 249205 came first. So in descending order 209205 came after. So this is a case in between only 2 pin codes, but when you have 5 pin codes, here you have 5 pin codes. For those you have to place them in ascending and descending order. And after this, you have to make another table of place value. Here you can see we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and lakh. Now we have 6 digits in pin codes, so that is why we need only place value till lakh. Now after this you have to place those pin codes in this place value chart. So we know that according to number name of pin codes, 2 lakh means 2 will place below lakh column. Then we have 63,000. So 60 will come means 6 will come in 10,000 place. 3 will come in 1000 place. And then we have 100. So 1 will come in hundreds place. And 39. So 3 will come in tens and 9 will come in ones place. Similarly, you have to place other pin codes according to their place value in this place value chart. After this, you have to write the expanded form of those pin codes. So here you can see we have 263139. So when we expand them, we have 2 lakh. So we write 2 lakh plus 60,000 plus 3,000, then 100, then 30 and then 9. This all is according to their place value in place value chart. Here you can see 2 has how many zeros? 5. If we want to write just 2 lakh, so we have to place 5 zeros after 2. Similar thing we have to do here to expand them. Then for 60,000, there we have 4 zeros after 6. And for 3,000, we have to place 3 zeros after 3. And for 100, 2 zeros. And for tens place, we have to place 1 zero. And for 9, there is no zero. Now you can see how we expanded 249205. As 2 is in lakh place, so it has 5 zero. 4 is in 10,000 place, so it has 4 zeros. 9 is in 1000 place, so it has 3. Whereas 2 is in 100 place, so it has 2 zeros. And in tens place, we do not have any digit, means we have 0. We do not have any 1, 2, 3 means natural numbers. So we have 0. So we put here 0, or we can write 0, 0. And 5 is in ones place. So it will multiply with 1. So we get 5 only. So this is the way how you have to do your project work. Keep in mind that you have to write this question first. Then you have to make the tables for every step. First you have to make table for just place, means post office and pin code. Then you have to make a table for pin code and its number name. Then you have to make column, or you can do it without any table or column. You just have to write ascending and descending order for those 5 pin codes. After that, you have to make a place value chart where you will place those pin codes and its digit according to its place value. And then finally, you have to write the expanded form for those pin codes. And keep that thing in mind that you have to do all subjects project work only in a single file. Means every child should have only one project file for all the subjects. Thank you and Sai Ram class.